anything. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
If love aggression was a human.
I'll bite your face. Wiggles? Wiggle me!
Wait for it.
I got you a treat. You want it? You want it? Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Happy Luna.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh.
Or some cheese. Cheese sounds good. Cheese?
Excuse me? Excuse me? I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Babe, are you awake? Okay. While we were sleeping, you pushed my leg off of you, and I was wondering if you still love me. What is she doing? Joker, what is she doing?
Tim! Oh my god, buddy! Tim, why are you so mad at your bed, bro? I just got that for you!
Why is my dog so dramatic?
Bang.
Bear, I want your most evil gangster face that you got. If somebody were to break in, what face would you give them? All right, jeez. That'll do it.